Hello, my friends. Today, I want to share a secret with you, a secret that has the potential to completely transform your relationship with wealth and abundance. We live in a world where many people are constantly struggling to manifest the money and success they desire. But what if I told you that wealth isn't something you have to chase? It's not about working harder or forcing opportunities to come your way. No, my friend, the key to attracting abundance lies in your ability to command it. It's time to reclaim this powerful art and start creating a life filled with prosperity. Commanding wealth isn't about waiting for luck or hoping for a miracle. It's about realizing that you, right now, have the power to shape your financial reality. It's all about your thoughts, your beliefs, and how you perceive yourself in relation to abundance. The truth is, the universe is always listening, and what you think about yourself, what you believe you deserve, is what you'll receive. When we think of wealth, many of us imagine it as something separate from us, something we need to acquire, something elusive that only a lucky few are able to access. But the truth is, wealth is already within you. It's in your mindset, your thoughts, your habits, and your belief system. The universe doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you believe is true for you. If you believe you are worthy of wealth, it will come. If you believe it's out of your reach, it will stay away. The first step in commanding wealth is recognizing your worth. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that money is something to be ashamed of, or that it's only for certain people. But I want to tell you this: you are worthy of every bit of abundance that comes your way. The universe is abundant, and there is more than enough to go around. You are just as deserving as anyone else of the wealth you desire. It all starts with how you think about money. Do you see it as something difficult to come by? Or do you see it as an abundant energy that flows freely to you? The way you view wealth will determine how it shows up in your life. If you continue to see money as scarce, you'll continue to experience lack. But if you can shift your thinking and see money as an abundant resource, it will begin to flow to you effortlessly. Next, you must align your energy with wealth. This means cultivating a mindset of abundance in every area of your life. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about feeling abundant in all things: love, health, joy, and opportunities. When you align your energy with abundance, everything else follows. The more you believe in the flow of wealth, the more wealth will show up in your life. It's all about trust and faith in the process. Another key to commanding wealth is to stop limiting yourself. We often set invisible boundaries around what we believe is possible for us. We say things like, "I can never make that much money," or "I'm not lucky enough to be rich." These beliefs are simply not true. They are limits we've placed on ourselves. To command wealth, you must be willing to break free from these self-imposed limitations and start believing that anything is possible for you. There is no ceiling on what you can achieve. One of the most powerful ways to command wealth is through gratitude. When you focus on what you already have and express gratitude for it, you send out a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive more. Gratitude is a magnetic force that attracts even more abundance into your life. When you appreciate the wealth you currently have, whether it's your home, your health, or your relationships, you open the door for more of it to flow your way. But it's not enough to just think positive thoughts or feel grateful. You must also take inspired action. Wealth doesn't just fall into your lap. You have to be willing to step up and take action toward your goals. Whether it's starting a new business, investing in yourself, or pursuing a new opportunity, the universe rewards those who take bold steps toward their dreams. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it. Your inspired actions will align with the energy of abundance and bring more opportunities your way. Another important aspect of commanding wealth is self-belief. If you don't believe in your own ability to create wealth, how can you expect the universe to believe in you? The first person who needs to trust that you are capable of manifesting wealth is you. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you send out a powerful vibration of confidence that attracts more of what you want. Trust in your skills, your talents, and your worthiness. The more you believe in yourself, the more the universe will reflect that belief back to you. One of the most powerful tools to command wealth is visualization. Your mind is a powerful tool, and when you can vividly imagine yourself living in abundance, you begin to align yourself with that reality. Visualize yourself living in the home of your dreams, driving the car you desire, and enjoying the freedom that wealth brings. The more you visualize these things, the more real they become in your mind, and the more likely they are to manifest in your life. Use this tool daily and watch your life begin to shift. Wealth is also about having a clear vision of what you want. If you don't know what you want, how can the universe bring it to you? Take some time to really think about what wealth looks like for you. What do you want to experience? What does abundance feel like? Once you have a clear vision of what you want, hold on to it with unwavering faith. The universe will move to align with your desires when you are clear and confident in your vision. Another important part of commanding wealth is to let go of the need to control every aspect of the process. Trust that the universe knows the best way to bring your desires to fruition. When you release the need to micromanage every detail, you create space for magic to happen. Allow yourself to be guided by your intuition and trust that things will unfold in perfect timing. When it comes to wealth, it's important to realize that it's not just about the physical manifestation of money. Wealth encompasses everything in your life that brings you joy, fulfillment, and peace. The moment you expand your understanding of wealth beyond just financial gains, you begin to unlock more possibilities. Wealth is found in the way you feel about yourself, the opportunities you attract, and the peace you cultivate within. When your mind is attuned to abundance, every area of your life can be enriched. One powerful method of attracting more wealth is by aligning your day-to-day actions with the belief that you are deserving of all that is good. Every time you take action toward your financial goals, whether big or small, you are sending out a powerful message to the universe. It's important to take inspired steps, and the more you move toward your desires, the more the universe moves toward you. If you simply wait for opportunities to come to you without doing anything, you are passively allowing life to take control. Instead, create the life you want by intentionally directing your actions toward your goals. Wealth doesn't just appear, it is drawn to those who are proactive and focused. Another crucial aspect of commanding wealth is taking care of your own mental and emotional well-being. When you are in a state of emotional imbalance or negativity, it's hard to maintain an abundant mindset. Anxiety, fear, and self-doubt create blocks that prevent wealth from flowing toward you. It's vital to cultivate a positive mindset and practice self-love. When you feel at peace with yourself, it becomes much easier to maintain a mindset of abundance, and that attracts more prosperity into your life. As you continue on this path of commanding wealth, note that it's not just about money. It's about creating a life of abundance in all areas: health, relationships, joy, and fulfillment. When you focus on abundance in every aspect of your life, the universe will mirror that back to you. It's about living with an open heart, trusting that you deserve all the good things that are coming your way. Lastly, don't forget to celebrate your wins. Every small step you take toward your financial goals is a victory. When you celebrate the progress you've made, no matter how small, you send out a message of gratitude and joy to the universe. This act of celebration opens the door for even greater wealth to come into your life. So take a moment to appreciate how far you've come and know that the best is yet to come. Commanding wealth is not about being lucky or waiting for things to happen. It's about consciously creating the life you desire, aligning your energy with abundance, and believing that you deserve all the wealth the universe has to offer. The more you trust in yourself and your ability to manifest, the more wealth will flow into your life. So go ahead, my friend, command your wealth and watch your life transform in ways you never thought possible.